Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting on a specific sheet. Select the range you want checked now rather than the whole book if you need focus. Once selected, press F7 or choose Review Spelling to launch Excel's checker. The tool scans cells, comments, and formulas differently, so make sure you pick the right scope. If you want case-insensitive checks, prepare options beforehand. The initial run will highlight the first suspected error and offer suggestions right away, so be ready to accept or change replacements. As the checker moves through results, read each suggestion and decide. Change to apply, ignore once if context differs, or ignore all for deliberate spellings. You can add to dictionary for company names or product terms to avoid future flags. Once done with a proposed correction, use replace or change all cautiously to update multiple cells. If many false positives appear, open spelling options to add a custom dictionary, set language preferences, or instruct Excel to ignore words in uppercase or words with numbers. When the checker finishes, Excel confirms no errors remain. Save your workbook. Once done, remember to rerun spell check after substantive edits or when copying new data in. If spell check won't start or skip cells, make sure proofing is enabled in Excel options and that the correct editing language is set. Also verify cells aren't formatted as text that hides errors, that merged or protected cells aren't blocking the tool, and that any custom dictionary file is accessible.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.